Yes, welcome back to the session. In this video, I'm going to discuss about null point. Basically, null point is defined as it is a point where the resultant force becomes zero. Okay, so in this first we will discuss about like charges. So that means I'm taking two charges here. The first charge, let us assume Q1, and the next charge is Q2. Let's say, for example, these two charges which are located at a distance r. Okay, that means the distance of separation between the two charges is r. Now we are going to calculate null point. That means I'm taking one more charge which is located in between the two charges. Let us assume the charge I'm taking Q0. So whenever one more charge present between the two charges, now the distance between Q1 and Q0 will be, let us assume x, and the rest of the distance from Q0 to Q2 is r minus x. Am I right? So whenever a third charge is present here between Q1 and Q0, one force is acting. Let's say, for example, that force is F1, which is balanced by one more force acting between Q2 and Q0, right? That force is, let us assume, F2. So these two forces which are equal in magnitude but opposite in nature, as a result the net force becomes 0. So according to Coulomb's law, we know that F1 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 Q0 by x square, right? Which is equal to the next two charges means Q0 and Q2, right? So F2 means 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q0 Q2 by r minus x whole square. Okay, so if you look at both the sides, left side 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, right side 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught cut, as well as left side Q0, right side Q0 also cut. The rest of the equation is Q1 by x square is equal to Q2 by r minus x whole square. Okay, so this is the expression I got. Now what I'm going to do here, take distance and all one side, charges other side. Now this r minus x will goes to the numerator, right? That means r minus x whole square by x square, which is equal to Q2 by Q1. Okay, so left side completely square term. If it is going right side means it becomes root. So therefore r minus x by x, which is equal to under root Q2 by Q1. Now the left side distance I'm going to simplify. Let's see, this r minus x by x we can write it as r by x minus x by x, which is equal to under root Q2 by Q1. So we know that x by x is nothing but 1, right? So therefore r by x minus 1 is equal to under root Q2 by Q1. Now what I'm going to do here, from this we are going to calculate null point location, correct or not? So before that, this minus 1 term I'm going to shift right side, then it becomes plus 1, right? Let's see, r by x is equal to under root Q2 by Q1 plus 1. Now we are going to calculate null point location x. So therefore x is equal to r by under root Q2 by Q1 plus 1. So this is the expression for null point for two like charges. That means Q1 is positive, Q2 is also positive. Okay, so positive positive means repel each other. So as a result we got plus 1, right? Suppose if two charges are opposite charges, that means, let's say for example, for unlike charges, what is the null point formula? Just very simple, x is equal to r by under root q2 by q1 minus 1 will come, that's all. Okay, the rest of the steps and all will be almost same. For unlike charges means here minus 1 will come, and for positive charges or like charges means here plus 1 will come. Okay, so I hope you understand. Thank you so much.